got that melanin magic. Brown skin poppin', always fly. I stay in the cockpit. I want it, I cop it. Open the door, then locked it. Time.
Good morning, guys. It's my birthday. It's my birthday, guys. So I'm just about to get ready, and my mom is taking me to breakfast. I'll be right back. Alright, guys, I left my camera at home, but we just arrived at Cracker Barrel, me and mommy. And we're gonna go in here and have some breakfast. So I'll show you guys when we get in here.
That's my baby, y'all. It's her birthday, and we are going to celebrate. We are turning up, okay?
All right, y'all. I'll see y'all. Alright, guys, I tried to film this look for you guys, but it was just, I'm having so much difficulty, like so much crazy stuff was coming up. But this is what it turned out to look like, and I love it, guys. And I added a little silver line under the black liner, so it's kind of like a double liner look. And yeah, so it's not too much for my birthday, but not, you know, just so plain Jane. So yeah, this is really pretty. I love it, I love it, I love it. And yeah, that's how it turned out. Alright, this is the present I got from my boyfriend. Some bands that I've been wanting. Okay. And some balloons. And a card. Alright, guys, we are at Longhorn. We're at Longhorn. Say hey. Hey. Fine.
What you got today? 10.
So you mean to tell me it's 10 people here?
Black people be on time.
I don't like you. I am so done with you. Are you serious? Oh my God. Oh, I'm finna cry. Happy birthday.
Better not cry.
She thought it was just me and her.
Oh!
She was saying it was just me and her.
Lisa, don't you cry now? Real tears. You okay, Cookie?
Are you really crying?
Your makeup up now.
I am done with you.
Nah, you say it all day. Throwing little shots about just me and you eating by ourselves. Yeah.
Stop.
You don't have the You don't want to have the camera. You don't have the camera up.
I don't know what to do. Oh my God. Oh my goodness.
How you zoom in on it?
In the front. Yeah. You came for my birthday.
She been talking about it.
Yes.
She was
My bestie's here. Show your face. My bestie's here, y'all. Oh, that was such a good surprise. Oh my gosh. I'm about to mess up my makeup.
You look so pretty.
Thanks, girl. I didn't know what to wear. Alright, y'all. We're at Longhorn. Let me show everybody that's here. Haley. Nikki. So, well, she ain't doing right. Huh? Yeah.
Is that camera? I bought this camera.
Yeah.
Hold up, get that on film. That's the camera you bought, right?
Oh my gosh.
The watch, the ring.
Bang his cousin. Say hey, Carissa. They all surprised me. Kendra. Hey, Kim. Mom. So, get it straightened up. So yeah, they got me, y'all. They got me. They got me good. But yeah, I'm having fun. I'm having fun already. Look who showed up, guys. Look who showed up. It's Melinda. Thank you.
Get me on, man. Get me on.
Oh my gosh. What do you have to say?
Hey, what's up? You know, it's your local player, you know.
Oh my gosh. Uh-oh. Alright, y'all. This is my steak. What is this? The Outlaw ribeye. And I got it medium well, but I had to send it back. So now it looks like... Yeah.
You feel bad?
No.
It's your birthday, don't feel
I
bad.
don't feel bad.
Look, put the camera on. Hey, how y'all doing there? Y'all come check out my page at Shake 'em Up TV, Eric Cooper. We looking to shake things up, baby. Shake 'em up, shake 'em up. Here we go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lisa. Happy birthday to
Only my children.
You got it turned the other way.
My children. Bless them. Bless them.
No,
birthday cake number 2. Oh, let's see. Happy birthday, Jelisa. Thanks, babe.